So good morning students of class 7. Today we'll see examples 5C, question number 25. How to multiply three terms. Multiplying with three variables. Okay, so the question here is question number 25. You can see in the question So here we have to multiply a square plus b square plus c square minus bc minus ca minus ab with a plus b. So question is wrongly printed in your book, in your textbook, that is a plus b square plus c square will be there and minus bc. So each and every expression of this term we will just multiply with each and every expression with the next group. So a square will be multiplied with a, b square will be multiplied, a square will be multiplied with a, again with b and again with c. Same way we will multiply b square with a, again with b and again with c. Similarly, c square will be multiplied by a, b and c. Here you can see that a square into a square into b, a square into c, again b square into a, b square into b, c square into c, b square into a, b square into b, b square into c. And the next, that is c square into a, c square into b and c square into c. Again minus bc we will multiply with this all three. Minus bc will multiply with all this. Minus bc will be multiplied with a, with b and again with c. Minus ca will be multiplied in same manner, that is a, b and c. And minus ab will be multiplied with a, that is minus ab into a, minus ab into b, minus ab into c. We'll multiply this and we'll just write over here. So a square into a we get, that is a cube. A square into b we get a square b. Similarly we'll multiply all this and we'll write over here. Now we'll find the like terms. Like terms are the terms which are same, which has same square, which have same number of coefficient and which are same number of powers. So we'll see the like terms and we'll just cancel out. So plus a square b, we'll see where is a square b, a square b, a square b, we will see. So we get here a square b. So plus a square b and minus a square b will cancel out. Now again a square c, again a square c, we'll find out where is a square c. So a square c plus a square c, and here it is minus a square c. In the same way ab square will find out the same like term, that is plus ab square, and here it is minus ab square. So plus and minus will be cancel out. So in this way we'll just cancel out plus and minus and we'll see what are the numbers left. That is, now we can see that a cube is left, here b cube is left, so we'll write a cube, b cube, and c cube is left, and minus abc, here minus abc and minus abc. So minus abc, minus abc and minus abc, there are 3 abc, therefore minus. Then we'll just add and we'll give the sign of negative, that is 3 abc. Similarly we'll multiply in question number 27, and in the same way we'll multiply question number 33. So I have just solved these solutions. You go through it, try to understand, and if you have any problem you can just tell me. Thank you students.